In the heart of the Rockies, your home deserves strength, safety, and style. Starting with your garage door. Quality Garage Door Services of Northern Colorado brings high-performance solutions to mountain homes like yours. From steep driveways to winter wear and tear, we understand the unique needs of Estes Park properties. Storm damage? Stuck doors? Call us anytime. We offer 24/7 emergency service in Estes Park and beyond. Choose from a full range of beautiful, durable garage doors built for mountain weather and curb appeal. Rain, snow, or sunshine, when you need us, we're there. Quality Garage Door Services of Northern Colorado. Estes Park's trusted name in garage doors.